يثبت الله الذين آمنوا بالقول الثابت في الحياة الدنيا وفي الآخرة ويضل الله الظالمين ويفعل الله ما يشاء.
Thus, through a firm word, Allah grants firmness to the believers, both in this world and in the hereafter. As for the wrongdoers, Allah lets them go astray. Allah does whatever He wills.
ألم تر إلى الذين بدلوا نعمة الله كفرا وأحلوا قومهم دار البوار.
Did you not see those who have exchanged Allah's favor with ingratitude to Him, causing their people to be cast in the abode of utter perdition?
جهنم يصلونها وبئس القرار.
Hell, wherein they shall roast. How wretched a place to settle in.
وجعلوا لله أندادا ليضلوا عن سبيله قل تمتعوا فإن مصيركم إلى النار.
They have set up rivals to Allah that they may lead people astray from His way. Tell them, enjoy for a while, you are doomed to end up in the fire.
قل لعبادي الذين آمنوا يقيموا الصلاة وينفقوا مما رزقناهم سرا وعلانية من قبل أن يأتي يوم لا بيع فيه ولا خلال.
O Prophet, tell those of my servants who believe that they should establish prayer and spend out of what we have provided them with, both secretly and openly, before there arrives the day when there will be no bargaining nor any mutual befriending.
الله الذي خلق السماوات والأرض وأنزل من السماء ماء فأخرج به من الثمرات رزقا لكم وسخر لكم الفلك لتجري في البحر بأمره وسخر لكم الأنهار.
It is Allah who created the heavens and the earth, who sent down water from the heaven, and thereby brought forth a variety of fruits as your sustenance, who subjected for you the ships, that they may sail in the sea by His command, who subjected for you the rivers.
وسخر لكم الشمس والقمر دائبين وسخر لكم الليل والنهار.
Who subjected for you the sun and the moon, and both of them are constant on their courses. Who subjected for you the night and the day.
وآتاكم من كل ما سألتموه وإن تعدوا نعمة الله لا تحصوها إن الإنسان لظلوم كفار.
And who gave you all that you asked Him for? Were you to count the favors of Allah, you shall never be able to encompass them. Verily, man is highly unjust, exceedingly ungrateful.
وَإِذْ قَالَ إِبْرَاهِيمُ رَبِّ اجْعَلْ هَذَا الْبَلَدَ آمِنًا وَاجْنُبْنِي وَبَنِيَّ أَن نَّعْبُدَ الْأَصْنَامَ.
And call to mind when Abraham prayed, "My Lord, make this city secure and keep me and my sons away from worshipping the idols."
رب إنهن أضللن كثيرا من الناس فمن تبعني فإنه مني ومن عصاني فإنك غفور رحيم.
My Lord, they have caused many people to go astray. Now if anyone follows my way, he is from me, and if anyone follows a way opposed to mine, then surely you are ever forgiving, most merciful.
ربنا إني أسكنت من ذريتي بواد غير ذي زرع عند بيتك المحرم ربنا ليقيموا الصلاة فاجعل أفئدة من الناس تهوي إليهم وارزقهم من الثمرات لعلهم يشكرون.
Our Lord, I have made some of my offspring settle in a barren valley near your sacred house. Our Lord, I did so that they may establish prayer. So make the hearts of people affectionately inclined to them, and provide them with fruits for their sustenance, that they may give thanks.
ربنا إنك تعلم ما نخفي وما نعلن وما يخفى على الله من شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء.
Our Lord, surely you know all that we conceal and all that we reveal, and nothing in the earth or in the heaven is hidden from Allah.
الحمد لله الذي وهب لي على الكبر إسماعيل وإسحاق إن ربي لسميع الدعاء.
All praise be to Allah, who despite my old age has given me Ishmael and Isaac. Surely my Lord hears all prayers.
رب اجعلني مقيم الصلاة ومن ذريتي ربنا وتقبل دعاء.
My Lord, enable me and my offspring to establish prayer, and do accept, our Lord, this prayer of mine.
ربنا اغفر لي ولوالدي وللمؤمنين يوم يقوم الحساب.
Our Lord, forgive me and my parents and the believers on the day when the reckoning will take place.
ولا تحسبن الله غافلا عما يعمل الظالمون إنما يؤخرهم ليوم تشخص فيه الأبصار.
Do not think Allah is heedless of the evil deeds in which the evildoers are engaged. He is merely granting them respite until a day when their eyes shall continue to stare in horror.
مهطعين مقنعي رؤوسهم لا يرتد إليهم طرفهم وأفئدتهم هواء.
When they shall keep pressing ahead in haste, their heads lifted up, their gaze directed forward, unable to look away from what they behold, their hearts utterly void.
وأنذر الناس يوم يأتيهم العذاب فيقول الذين ظلموا ربنا أخرنا إلى أجل قريب نجب دعوتك ونتبع الرسل أولم تكونوا أقسمتم من قبل ما لكم من زوال.
O Muhammad, warn mankind of the day when a severe chastisement shall overtake them, and the wrongdoers will say, Our Lord, grant us respite for a short while. We shall respond to your call and will follow your messengers. But they will be clearly told, Are you not the same who saw earlier that they shall never suffer decline?
وسكنتم في مساكن الذين ظلموا أنفسهم وتبين لكم كيف فعلنا بهم وضربنا لكم الأمثال.
You said so even though you had lived in the dwellings of those who had wronged themselves by sinning, and you were aware how we dealt with them. And we had even explained to you all this by giving examples.
وَقَدْ مَكَرُوا مَكْرَهُمْ وَعِندَ اللَّهِ مَكْرُهُمْ وَإِن كَانَ مَكْرُهُمْ لِتَزُولَ مِنْهُ الْجِبَالُ.
Indeed, the unbelievers contrived their plan, but it is in Allah's power to nullify their plan, even though their plans were such that would move even mountains.
فلا تحسبن الله مخلف وعده رسله إن الله عزيز ذو انتقام.
So do not think, O Prophet, that Allah will go back upon His promise to His messengers. Surely Allah is mighty, Lord of retribution.
يوم تبدل الأرض غير الأرض والسماوات وبرزوا لله الواحد القهار.
Do warn them of the day when the heavens and the earth shall be altogether changed, when all will appear fully exposed before Allah, the One, the Irresistible.
وترى المجرمين يومئذ مقرنين في الأصفاد.
On that day you shall see the guilty ones secured in chains.
سرابيلهم من قطران وتغشى وجوههم النار.
Their garments shall be black, as if made out of pitch, and flames of the fire shall cover their faces.
ليجزي الله كل نفس ما كسبت إن الله سريع الحساب.
So that Allah may requite each person for his deeds. Allah is swift in reckoning.
هذا بلاغ للناس ولينذروا به وليعلموا أنما هو إله واحد وليذكر أولو الألباب.
This is a proclamation for all mankind, that they may be warned by it, and that they may know that their God is none but the one true God, and that men of understanding may take heed.